making this message because it's been in my head for the past 2 days, and I wanted to remind you, you cannot sacrifice a person for any reason. A person's life, a person is the most valuable thing in your life. Any odd person, a random person, a person who you're never going to meet again, a person who has nothing to do with your life is more valuable than any material object. The thing that made me think of making this a message is, I have a team that I was assigned to for the Misters of Zimbabwe pageant, and I'm sponsoring their shirts. I'm also getting them books for anti-drug campaigns, and basically I'm pouring my own money and time into our community betterment project, right? And we have a paid voting system for the awards, meaning I can either choose between doing a super good anti-drug campaign and changing some kid's life, you know, and gathering votes to myself. So what I've said is, God damn it, the votes will come when they come, but I'm gonna make sure that my team has everything that they need, and I'm gonna make sure, most importantly, that that kid who are gonna go and do the anti-drug campaign for has what they need. I've never been drunk and I've never been high in my life because I know what's happening. I know what drunk is, I know what high is. So why would I do something like that? I don't need cigarettes, I'm already calm. I don't need to drink, I'm already having fun. I'm just healthy enough that I can have a similar effect from just the sheer health of my body. Let's give the children that knowledge. You can still vote for me. The validation will be the payment, but that will come when it comes. In the meantime, vote, goddammit. I'm gonna start from behind. But the number one thing are the people on my team. I'll make them equipped. And the number one thing are the people who are going to help. You cannot sacrifice a person for votes. You cannot sacrifice a person for material. You cannot sacrifice a person. They're important.